fuck them. Time to go.
Now I'm sure that that's not it.
What would you call it? I guess that's why I always just kind of hang in there, no matter how bad it gets. Because I don't want to be like her. It's kind of clingy and pathetic, isn't it?
No, it isn't. At all.
Some shitbirds.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
How did you find us?
Please. I can cover the boroughs in like 3 hours. I went looking. That's all.
Surprised your heart can take it.
My heart is just fine. Take a step closer and I'll show you.
Hey, I saved your life, asshole. Now you're coming after us?
We're even now, bitch.
Holy shit. Is this true?
Everything makes a little more sense now, doesn't it?
Where did you get this?
I didn't get it, okay? I was never here. You got that shit on your own, yeah?
But why are you doing this?
Because I want back in. So I need her gone. Fuck that Nazi bitch.